going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is the Knoxville Barber Expo recap. Just want to take a second to thank you guys. I've been getting lots of messages, DMs, comments on YouTube. You guys are appreciating my content, and I've had a couple requests. So I had a request for a detailed breakdown on how the lever works on like a fade adjustable clipper. So I got that coming soon. And guys, I did a really cool creative haircut for Halloween, and it'll drop Halloween night. So I got 2 videos coming next week. I'm gonna drop Knoxville Friday. That's what you guys are watching now. And then I'll be in Tampa Monday, hanging out at Headlines with Bosio and the crew. Gonna make some content there. So next week, 2 videos dropping. Make sure you guys stay tuned. And I really appreciate you guys reaching out and letting me know what you want to see and what you like. It's really keeping me going. So I really appreciate it. Hope you guys enjoyed this recap of the Tennessee Barber Expo. Shout out to my guy, Tyler Trotter, Clean Cuts the One. It was a great turnout, and I hope he keeps doing it the next couple of years. So, again, guys, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Jeezy put that video out, and it's going crazy. So, we got a 1,000 subscriber giveaway coming up. I'll have details soon, and I appreciate you guys. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. You know the drill, and catch you next time.